Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your skin from aging with Olay, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin your journey to youthful skin by understanding the importance of a good skincare routine. Start by cleansing your face every morning and evening. Choose a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type. Use lukewarm water to rinse your face, as hot water can strip natural oils. Pat your skin dry with a soft towel instead of rubbing it. Next, apply a toner to help refine your skin's texture. Look for a toner that hydrates and balances your skin's pH. Following the toner, it's time to moisturize. Select a moisturizer that contains anti-aging ingredients like hyaluronic acid or peptides. Apply the moisturizer evenly over your face and neck. Choose an eye cream specifically designed to tackle fine lines and wrinkles. In the morning, always apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. This protects your skin from UV damage, which is a major cause of aging. Reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, especially if you're outdoors. Incorporate a serum into your routine that targets specific aging concerns. Look for serums with antioxidants like vitamin C for added protection. At night, use a richer moisturizer to help your skin repair while you sleep. Consider adding a retinol product to your evening routine gradually. Retinol helps promote cell turnover and can improve the appearance of fine lines. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. A healthy diet rich in fruits and vegetables also supports your skin's health. Make sure to get enough sleep to allow your skin to rejuvenate. Regularly exfoliate your skin once or twice a week to remove dead skin cells. Find an exfoliant that's gentle yet effective for your skin type. Keeping your skin clean and clear will prevent premature aging. Lastly, be patient and consistent with your routine for the best results. Remember, protecting your skin from aging starts with the right products and habits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.